Hello, good morning, guys. All right, so welcome to MaxJfx channel. Okay, so uh, in this video, I want to talk about how do you analyze the forex markets and the easiest way to do so. All right, so I'm going to teach you how I analyze the forex market from the start to finish. The start to finish. Okay, so first, for me to analyze the market, I go through these four key stages. So these four key stages are what I use in order to analyze the forex market. And the first one is, so the number one, I do what I call market selection. Market selection. I'll explain that in a second. The next one, what I do is market shortlisting. So market shortlisting. And the next thing I do is the market analysis. So that's the third thing. And the fourth thing I do is market classification. So these are the four key things I do on each chart. So if I want to analyze the market, this is what I have to go through. These key stages help me to be disciplined, help me to catch high or great probability trades and a great win rate. Yes. So these are the four key stages in analyzing every market. So what do I mean by market selection? So as forex traders, we are also termed as opportunists. So you make money from the market in every opportunity we get. So every opportunity, not just one opportunity, but every opportunity. And the market gives a lot of opportunity. This is because the market offers a lot of pairs. There are a lot of pairs you can trade, a lot of them. So you just you can go to every market and trade every market. So for us to be opportunities, we want to choose the right markets in order to make good profits from them. We don't want to make losses in the market. We want to make profits. Yes, and the market offers those opportunities. So what we do is that we look at each market, whether this market is a good market, which means it has a high probability trade. We can our trade, we can make profits on this market. If it's not a high probability trade, it means we can't make profits from it. So we don't want to lose, so we stay away from such markets. All right. So I do that for the top market. So these are the top forex trading, the major forex trading pairs that I trade. So I always trade the major forex trading pairs. That's the USD. And we also have the chef. We also have the odd. We also have cat. We also have the uh so we have chef GBP. We also have euro, and we also have NZD. So these are the top or major pairs in the forex market. So I trade this market with these names because these are termed as liquidity. So this market gives liquidity because it's a major pairs because a lot of people trade it. So which means there's liquidity. And the more the liquidity, the easier for us to have good entries in order to earn good profits. So that's why I trade this major forex trading pairs. All right. So because there are a lot of markets, so this pairs right here, we are going to take each of them. So we'll take each of them. So let's say I'll take the USD pairs. So USD pairs. So the USD pairs, we have the EUUSD, we have the USD JPY, we also have the odd. USD. You also have the GBP USD. You also have the NZD USD. And also have odd USD. So CAD USD rather. So CAD USD. So I'll take USD. So this USD right here, I'll take it and now I'll write all the pairs under. So I'll go search this first each market. So I'll take the first pair Euro USD. I'll go to Euro USD. So I've already analyzed it. So let's take it from, so let's say Euro USD. And now, so yes. So I'll take USD. And the next one is this Euro USD? Should I select USD? If I select, then why? Why should I select this market to trade? So yes, I'll select this market because I can see clear trends. I can see the market moving in a trend. So I can see a nice higher high, higher low right here and making a trend. So another higher high right here. So because I see a clear trend and a nice candlestick, not small candlestick, but bigger, larger candlesticks right here. So because of this, I'll trade this market because I can spot nice trends right here on the daily. So on the daily, not on the lower time frame, but on the daily. So please, it's always on the daily. The daily is the most important time frame in the Forex market. Please don't forget this. All right, so because we see clear trends on the daily, we are going to trade it. We are going to trade this market. All right, so let's go back to so we're at there. All right, so we select the markets like that's what I did right here. So you go to USD. Is there a good market? If yes, we add it to the watch list right here. So we'll take each of them and look at it. And after looking at USD pairs, we go to chef pairs. So I'll come right chef pairs right here. So chef pairs. And now you write all of them right here. All of them. And now you go to each market. Is this a right market for me to trade? Does it have clear trends on a daily? Is the candles larger and okay for me to trade? So you just ask yourself personal questions. And if you think it's a good market, then that's it. You add it to your watch list. And now after doing that, we shortlist. So shortlisting means that uh so you come to each of them. So each of them, you come and shortlist them. So we come, is this market really a market I can trade? Can I really analyze it? This is because this is how I short. If I want to shortlist the market, this is what you can do. So example, this market, if you want to shortlist, you come to the 4 hour. So instead of looking to the daily, you come to 4 hour and also come and see whether it has clear trends right here. So here too, it has clear trends. So you can see it's making a nice higher high right here. And it's not choppy on the 4 hour. You can't see it to be choppy. And the EMA is very important. You can see the EMA, or the price are above the EMA. The EMA is not in between prices. So if you see that the EMA is in between prices, please avoid search markets because search markets can has a high probability of you losing. So because we can see that the prices are above it and not the EMA in between prices, it means we can really predict and yes, make a profit out of this market. Okay, so that's how we shortly. So I just look at it, go to the 4 hour, the EMA in between, does it look choppy or can I spot the trends very well? So that's what I do. And now if it meets my criteria, then yes, I'm going to trade search markets. All right. So So yeah, so after shortlisting, what I do is that I analyze it. And now I made a video on my so on my previous videos and a playlist on the beginner guide, and also analyzing on the gold, the weekly gold and BTC pairs. What I said was that there is this fact and this clear assumption that anyone who wants to make money out of this market must, one, buy at low, and two, sell at highs. So this is it. So this is a clear fact and a principle. This everyone does in real life. So if you want to sell something, if you want to buy something, you really want to buy at low. No one wants to buy at a higher price. Everyone wants to buy at low price and sell at highs. And this is what we use to analyze the forex market. Please, this is what you use to analyze the forex markets. I've repeated this. This is because this is very important in analyzing the forex markets. And I told you that the most important time frame is the daily. So now, in order to do this, so now we'll come to the daily. What is the trend of the market? So you can clearly see that the market is making a higher high, higher high. This means the market is bullish at this point. So it's very bullish. So because the market is bullish, what we'll be doing is that we'll be looking for a place to buy, not at this high right here, but at a lower price in order to make a good profit. So now how do we find that lower price? So if we want to find the lower price, which means that we want to find a zone below the current price or below the higher high. So a zone below the higher high. So basically, a zone means that the place where a lot of trading has been done at those places. You see major reversals from such places or reactions from such places, which means the zone is which means it's the zone. I want to see at least 3 or 4 reactions or turning points from such areas. So now in analyzing this market, so first I see it's making a nice trend right here. And now for me to find a lower price for me to buy, which means I have to find a nice zone right here. And I can see it right here. I can see some reactions and also rejections from this market right here. So this will be my zone. So this will be my zone. So which means that if I want to buy at low, just as this principle says, if I want to buy at low, I'll find a zone. And now I'm not buying at here. I'll just wait for the price to come here, wait for a confirmation before I'll enter for a nice buy to earn money from the markets. So yes, this is as simple as how I analyze the forex market. Okay, so the point 4, after analyzing, what do? I classify the market. So you can see right here, in order for me to classify the markets, you see I've done it, I've created sections. So the first one is ready now. So I'll classify it as ready now, ready next days, or ready next week. So this is how I classify the market. So why do I label it as ready now, ready next week, and ready next days? So if I want to classify it, I'll look at. So I'll come to there. So let's take this example. So the first one is Euro NZD. So this market is classified as ready now, which means that how many daily candles can make this move? How many daily candles do I need for it to make this move? So this move, I just need just 1 or 2 daily candles. So just 1 or 2 daily candles can just give me a confirmation for me to or just one daily, 1 day, 2 day can just give the confirmation for me to just enter into the market. So that's why it is labeled as ready now. So the Euro NZD as I analyze it, that one too, I just need 1 or 2 daily candles for this move to happen. Yes. So now when it is labeled ready next days, which means I also need maybe 4 or 3 daily candles. So that one's with the same 3 or 4 daily candles for it to give me the confirmation in order to enter into the market. So all this pairs is early next week, which means I need just 3 or 4 daily candles in order to give me a confirmation in order to give the move right here. And now when it is labeled as ready next week, which means I need uh, about 3 or 2 weekly candles to give me this move. So I need a confirmation from the weekly in order to enter this market. We can see the weekly candles is very, very bullish right here. So I need about probably 2 or 3 weekly candles can just give me this move. So yes, so which means that if it is labeled as ready now, it means uh I need probably, let's say, the 4 hour to confirm. So that's ready now for 4 hour to confirm. So ready next week, daily candles to confirm. And now when it is labeled next week, labeled next day, that daily candle to confirm. Within next week, I need weekly candles to confirm before I enter the market. So probably, so that's it. This is the 4 strong points or list for me to trade the Forex market. I hope this video at least gives you an edge for you to trade this Forex market using these 4 principles. Yes. So thank you for sticking around to watch my videos. Please, I need support from you guys. I want you guys to like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Any questions, just drop it in the comment section. I'll come reply or make a video about it. Or any video suggestions, just drop it into the comment section and I'll go read it and reply. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll say bye bye for now. Thank you very much.